2019 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, fog lights, heated front seats, trip computer, rear window defroster, security system, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.